Addressing AM radio interference in a 24-volt paging system involves several steps. Firstly, investigate nearby wiring runs such as power, lighting, or telephone lines for potential interference sources. AM radio signals can travel long distances and induce interference into your system. Secondly, examine the 24-volt direct current power supply. Determine if it uses a shielded transformer. Also, verify if the power supply is isolated from the paging system. Lack of isolation can allow power supply noise to conduct back into the system. Thirdly, check the speaker grounding. If the speakers are grounded to metal conduit, it could be acting as an antenna. Try removing all grounding from the speakers to see if it helps. Fourthly, consider using shielded cable such as Belton 1585A for the speaker wiring. Ground the shield at one end of the line or at each speaker location. Exercise caution when grounding the shields at speaker locations and daisy chaining speakers. This could create a large antenna. Instead, terminate shielded cables at a central point and connect speakers there. Fifthly, adjust speaker volume controls. Turn down all built-in volume controls. This can increase the noise immunity of the speaker system by attenuating the noise floor. Lastly, consider contacting Volcom directly. Their tech support may have additional solutions. 70-volt paging systems are not inherently immune to AM broadcast interference. However, shielded cables might improve performance.